you like, you can put a hazelnut on the top, like so. I remember those cookies when my mom made them when I was little. We made them like every year, and she put a hazelnut on the top of the cookie. It's really not my favorite, but that's actually what the authentic recipe calls for. This is how they look when they come out of the oven. You got to let them cool down completely before taking them off the baking sheet. And if the cookies are still sticky like that, like to the touch, you might put them back into the oven for at least another 5 minutes. Maybe at 275 degrees Fahrenheit.